People ask me, how do I present passionately when I'm not passionate about the topic, even if it's what I work with? For example, I'm in finance, but I'm not passionate about numbers, or I can't get passionate about it. Or my company makes vacuum cleaners and I can't get passionate about the vacuum cleaner. Maybe you've experienced this. This is a common thing that we deal with. And if we can't connect to the passion and we still try to force passion, we're going to see through that, right? We have these bullshit meters. We're experts at it. It's going to be like beep, 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 beep. Inauthentic. We're going to see through it and it's going to look bad. And that's the kind of passion where we start to cringe a little bit, like it hurts. It needs to be authentic passion. So if you're having trouble going, wow, this vacuum cleaner is something I'm not super passionate about, you need to think past the vacuum and go to a deeper level. Where is this vacuum of service? So this vacuum is probably in the homes of millions of people. We all need to vacuum every single day. And if this vacuum is more efficient, it breaks less, it costs less, and it's going to help all these families vacuum in less time, that's huge. And that's something that we could connect to. Maybe this is made more sustainably out of recycled plastic, and that's going to help the world. Maybe that's something we can connect to. You need to find something that is of service to the world and to others that you can connect to in a passionate way. If that doesn't exist at all in what you're presenting, maybe it's time to reevaluate what you're working with. But passion is there. We just need to dig a little bit deeper to find it and allow yourself to connect on that emotional level, and then it will be authentic.